we're gonna need a couple things. Gonna need a skill saw to cut that. We'll throw everything on the dog bed for now. Gonna need a masonry shovel. Need a shovel. See what else. I think that'll be a good enough start for now. We'll need to grab a tape measure. All right, next step, we're gonna need to grab some wood. See what I've got in here that I can use to kind of help set some points or make some boxes, whatever it might be. This is my old workshop. Haven't really gotten a chance to do much with it yet, but have plans. Trying to decide right now if I should use it as a workshop or if I should turn it into an outdoor kind of living kitchen area. So we're deciding on that right now. Let's see. That work? That work. Smokehouse here, and then the flute or the whatever, the stovepipe going into the firebox, and we'll set the firebox over there, and we'll have a nice little slanted roof coming over here to put some wood under, keep the wood dry. Door should be right here, so I'll be able to walk up, open up, hang my meat, do whatever there, close the door, come over here to the firebox. We'll be over here, open up the door, start the fire, get the fire going, get the smoke blowing, and All right, so now you can see got a 3x3 hole. Obviously I dug it out a little bigger than 3x3, dug a little deeper so we'd have some depth to the foundation. So I think our next step's probably going to be to get a decent measurement of where we're at, and then go from there. So more digging. Alright, so I learned this from my old boss and the guys I worked with. I worked for a concrete construction company too for a couple of years, through high school and then a little bit after college, and to try and figure out whether or not our foundation's level. You take a straight board, mark one point, one side, you get it level, and you mark the same point on the other side. And then you can run a string across it. All I've really got is chalk lines, so that's what we'll be using. It'll still work though. Tie your string line off. So obviously you guys probably can't see it very well, but watch out, Chase. Watch out. You look across this string line. It's pretty much perfectly level. So that gives you a baseline to see whether or not you're even across the bottom. So take a measure. Today, going to do some things that I've been trying to do for like the last 2 weeks, but between rain and other stuff, have not been able to get back to it. So I'm glad to finally be back out here, glad to finally be able to keep rolling on this smokehouse project. So come along for the ride, guys. We're going to have a good time today, and thanks for watching. here that's not stuck together.